These are very beautiful area with lots of goats, white goats. And this is magnificent. Wow. This is really far. So we're going back to our car. Now I have to return this here. So the car won't be able to go inside because they put some chain. That's our car. We've been there. Guys, I got this rod, steel rod from the fence so I can protect myself if the dog will attack me. Because I really want to take a video of this area and no one is around. I wish someone will appear so I can ask permission to take a shot. Guys, I want to go there, but there are so many dogs around. Because I think it's a nice place, like a farmland. Those trees are really beautiful. I want to go near that place, but there are lots of dogs. I want to take a picture of those, to take a video of those sheep over there. And it's a nice trees, and there's a camel. I can see camel there. And also I want to check those houses. It's really beautiful. But the problem, there are dogs around, so I just can't go near there. So I'll just take a video from afar. I wish someone could see me too, so I can ask permission. See, there's a dog. I'm thankful that I'm able to visit here to take a video because it's really a nice farm. Mukha na akong ermitanyo dahil sa buhok ko at saka sa aking tungkod. The caretaker were asking where did I get this barn. I told him I took it from the fence outside, just to protect myself, because I'm afraid those dogs will attack me. At least I have something to defend myself. Okay guys, that's all for now. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. And click that notification bell below so you'll be updated for my next uploaded video. Thank you guys. God bless. See you around. They're going inside under that tree. So these are their food container and water. See, they're eating this grass. and they feel safe inside the fence. Oops, someone's meeting there. Guys, it's time to bye-bye. It's nice that I have taken video of this area. Sheep, they're eating and they're drinking. Oops, I have this. Hada bait?
Huh?
Bait hada?
Yeah.
Ah. Simsil bait ha? هذا ما في سمسم Philippines.
يعني الحين هذا يروح بالفيني.
Hey.
بالفين ما في سمسم كده.
Hello guys, check their camels here. So I already asked permission from the caretaker so I can go around and take a video. Oh, there's a baby camel. Hello. No. There's a mommy camel. Hello. How are you? There's a baby one. See, it's very small. Come on. She's coming to me. Hello. She's a very huge one. This camel is very shy. There are lots of dogs there. I should always hold this bar because I'm afraid that dogs will attack me. These are many barn houses. Hello guys, check this out. It's really a nice area, nice place. It's a farm. These are their barns. It's really a nice place. I've seen someone there. Maybe that is the caretaker. So I will go near and ask permission. Mudir! Assalamualaikum Mudir. Mungkin sawi surah? Sawi video basa? Ada كويس هنا. Happy Miskin? This is the owner. At the farm? Only farm here? في مدير؟